Hi viewers, welcome to LML Solution. Today we are going to see about how to measure overshoot, undershoot and the settling time in the any response from the scope window. For that I am going to take one transfer function. Here I am going to take the transfer function that having second order system. The main we have x square plus s plus 1, and then I am going to provide input for this transfer function. So that will be constant. And then I am going to measure this response from the scope. So here I am going to provide input for the transfer function is 1, and then I am going to check the response from the scope. Just I am going to run this simulation. After running the simulation, you will get that response, this kind of response. Let me increase that time to 100, and then I am going to increase, that means simulate that scope. We are getting the response from the transfer function for input of 1. For this transfer function, I need to find out the overshoot, undershoot, settling time. So overshoot means you have to find out how much is deviate from that final value, above that final, below that final value. For that, just you go to this option. Here you will see that here you can click this arrow, and then you see that bilevel measurement. Just you click this one. After clicking that option, we will see another window here. That means in same window, scope window, we will see this one. So here just you go to open this overshoot undershoot detail. So now we can see that overshoot value, undershoot value, but the settling time you are not seeing that one. So for that you go to settings. So here you see that settings. Just you go to click settings. And then here you see that the settle seeks, that means we are seeking that settling time within 0.02 second. But sometime some response will be take more time. So this is the default settings. So now I'm going to change that settle seeks equal to 25 seconds. Now we see that we are getting the settling time around 6.96, that means around 7 seconds. From that we can measure the overshoot, undershoot and the settling time from the any response by using this bilevel measurement system. If you are going to use some controller in your system, for that you need to compare the result, how much overshoot, undershoot and settling time in that response. For that this option is very useful for you. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.